I don't think people understand the sheer power of the right tools in Forex trading. Imagine conquering every trading challenge thrown your way. Meet the PARAMOUR JOKER EA, your unbeatable ally in Forex trading. Less than 10% of traders pass the FTMO challenge. But with PARAMOUR JOKER, you're not just another statistic. This isn't just a tool. It's your gateway to trading up to $200,000 with top proprietary firms. Our secret? A smart algorithm with a staggering success rate over 90%. And here's the kicker, even if you don't hit that exact 10% profit target, you're eligible for a free retry. No more losing money, no more missed opportunities. Don't just take our word for it. Here's a quick success story. John, a novice trader, struggled with the consistency. With PARAMOUR JOKER, he not only passed the FTMO challenge on his first try, but now trades a $150,000 account. So are you ready to change your trading game? Let PARAMOUR JOKER EA open the doors to your financial freedom. Start your journey today and secure your spot among the funded elite.